I'm very angry. This is what's happening here. Dahil hindi naman, paano naman, wala talaga, 220 meters, 55 billion, completed ang record ng Public Works. Walang ginawa, kahit isang araw hindi nagtrabaho, wala kang makita, puntahan ninyo, wala kayong makita kahit na ano. Tuloy-tuloy ang pagbaha doon sa kabila. So, yes.
Sir?
Oh.
Sir?
If all of these projects were properly executed and implemented, ang laki nang nawala na problema sana sa atin at sa mga taong bayan, at saka mas magiging maayos hanggang irrigation, hanggang water supply, fresh water supply for household. Pero ito yung ginagawa nila, talagang nakakapinsala pa sa mga local residents. So yes, it's no, I'm not disappointed, I'm angry.
So the COA fraud audit of Bulacan projects, anong end goal nun, sir? Filing cases?
Yes, if need be, of course. As I said, ang trato namin with all of this is, siyempre marami. For example, falsification na ito. Yung ganito, dahil nag-report sila na completed. Hindi, kitang-kita naman na hindi completed. So immediately, that's a falsification. So that's already very